picking up the door for the school bus because we're replacing the door with this door. And we got a flat in the person's driveway where we're buying this door from. So that's fun. All right, so we've wanted for a very long time to take out this door. I say long time. I mean, what? It's been like a week since we've had this bus.
That's a long time.
That's a long time. So we want to take this door off.
That's like 7 days.
Yeah, that's like a. How many hours is that? How many minutes?
7 times 24. So that's 140, and 7 times 4 is 28, 168. I think. Don't fact check me on that.
Anyway, so we're gonna take off this door. We're gonna put on a new white door that we got off of Facebook Marketplace, and it's gonna be awesome. Are you ready to do this, Tyler?
Yep. Oh.
I mean, now we have to do this.
Yeah, now it's too late, pretty much. That's a bummer.
We're gonna have to angle grind that one.
Yeah, I'll have to angle grind that one out. Like a glove.
So Tyler, from the Broken Compass bus, what is it you're doing here?
I have to make a very straight cut on this door. So I'm basically, we don't have a track saw, so I'm basically making one with a piece of scrap wood so that this cut is extremely straight, because it's very important that it is. So we're gonna clamp this on. Now I'm gonna measuring tape and measure that side, make sure it's the same as this, and then this track will have a guide.
Oh, you made your own track.
Yep.
Come on, Tyler.
Come on, man.
That's a little bit too sophisticated.
Come on, man. This is like solid metal, and it goes up through the roof, and then there's another piece that caps it off, and we don't have access to that because we covered this panel up, didn't we? Yeah, we covered it up. So I'm just gonna grind that. I'm gonna score it basically, so it makes it easier to bend into it.
Cool.
Yeah. Let me sure the sparks are going away.
What do you think, Tyler?
I think.
What's that light?
Why all these are the same size, and then they just decided, you know what? We're gonna put some larger ones at the bottom. So I don't have a.
It's gonna look so good when it's actually in, though. Wow, it's like so close. Wow, you just put it in. All right, we just finished our show, and it's 9:30 p.m. and we're all exhausted.
Our life depends upon it.
Yes. So it's all hands on deck.
Bluetooth door.
We're officially putting in the door.
Yeah, I guess my default was to stay up.
So I put a a tarp over the door because the door is not insulated yet. Insulated? Is that the word I'm looking for? It's not installed. It's not waterproof. I mean, we have the hinges in, so it kind of opens and closes, but there's still a lot of like cracks because we have to do something around. You know, what am I talking about?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. So it's not done. That's pretty much what we're trying to say. It's just not done. So we're gonna make it done tomorrow.
Right. Sir, have you been drinking?
No. Only coffee. There was a huge windstorm or something, and it just blew the door off the hinges, like. So now we have to buy a new door tomorrow. We're gonna try again, but this time we're gonna get one that's like solid wood or like.
Yeah.
So we got a new door. It's solid all the way through. So this is gonna be a way better option than what we had before. Today is Friday. So we have today and tomorrow to put this in so that I can get this YouTube video up in time. Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh, welcome home!
Look how cute it is with the key in the lock. Oh my gosh.
It's so cute. Oh, it's perfect. And it's gonna be pink on this side.
Oh, it's
Oh,
perfect.
Tyler, come on, man.
It's not bad for a $15 door, is it?
Why are you playing music for a living? Let's see how good it feels when you shut it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have no idea. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, look, it locks like super easy.
Oh,
It's like tight too, so it won't like rattle going down the road.
Wow, my goodness. You guys are amazing.
That's crazy.
This is one of our favorite covers. It's my mom's favorite cover that we do. So a little bit of Beatles, the Arbour season way.
That's it.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, everybody. Thank you.